Do you feel progress is slower than you want? I know you're smart and you're hardworking. So why do you feel plateaued and even stuck? I have worked with hundreds of executives and leaders and professionals and business owners. And what I have found is it's never a skills problem when somebody feels stuck or plateaued. It's actually blocks. These are patterns running underneath the surface that sabotage your progress without you knowing. Now, here are the five most common ones. Block one, it's the effort trap. You believe working harder will fix it. It won't. You're pushing against a wall that you can't see. Block two is the identity lock. You've tied yourself to your identity. It's your current identity or current role or title. So you keep optimizing the wrong game. Block three, the success mask. You look successful on the outside. So nobody, including yourself, questions what's wrong underneath. Block four is the comfort ceiling. You've hit a level that feels comfortable, but it creates a ceiling that keeps you stuck. And the final block, five, the blind spot pattern. You keep repeating the same cycle, different job, different relationships, but same result because you can't see the pattern that's actually keeping you stuck. Most people never identify their blocks. They just keep pushing harder, getting more frustrated, more exhausted. I run a free 60-minute workshop called Accelerate, where I help you find your exact block and we build a plan to break through it so that you can reach your goals faster. Register for my free Accelerate workshop. The link is in the bio or the link is below. Additionally, I have a free diagnostic to help you identify your hidden blocks. Comment blocks below and I'll DM it to you.